Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's been buzzing around the tech world: iPhone 16 Pro middle frame reballing. So, let's dive right in. First off, what is reballing? In the world of electronics, reballing is the process of reapplying solder balls to the pads of a chip. It's a common repair method for electronic devices, especially when it comes to phones. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 16 Pro. This sleek and powerful device has been making waves in the tech world, and it's no surprise that some users are experiencing issues with their middle frame. It's important to that these issues are not a widespread problem, and only a small percentage of users have reported experiencing them. So, what are these middle frame issues? Some users have reported that their middle frame is loose, which can cause the phone to wobble or feel unstable when held. Others have reported that their middle frame is cracking or breaking, which can lead to a loss of functionality. Thankfully, there's a solution to these issues: reballing. By reapplying solder balls to the pads of the middle frame, a skilled technician can fix these issues and get your iPhone 16 Pro back to its full functionality. It's important to note that reballing is not a quick fix. It's a time-consuming process that requires a skilled technician to disassemble your phone, reapply the solder balls, and then reassemble the phone. This process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the technician's experience and the severity of the issue. If you're experiencing middle frame issues with your iPhone 16 Pro, don't worry, there's a solution, and it's called reballing. Just make sure to find a skilled technician who can handle the job. And that's it for today's Tech Talk. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.